Let us be real about issues. This one, you don't want to miss it out. Gabaza na nsuku baze bangalwa for nkarhi wa ku leha. Nkarhi wa ku leha lava hi ta va jimisa nkarhi wa ku leha. Loko va hetelela nyimpi leyi va nga na yona. Loko Gabaza loko nsuku a ya ka swa Big Brother. Gabaza ive munhu loyi a n'wi campaignela. Leswi nga va swi hi shoka hina tanihi Magasi ku humelela yini hi vanhu lavambirhi. And hi nga rivali ku munhu loyi a tiviwaka i ta wina 2 million. Gabaza loko nsuku a ta huma ive munhu loyi a ri busy na ku advertise ti-events ta nsuku. Ka event liya yi nga hoyi ya ku Songirangani angayi, Gabaza angayanga, and never even issued an apology or updated the fans go yes anti ndabako and vankona and stuff. Aye. Ku nga va ku humelele yini? Ntiyiso wa mhaka hi wolowo. Ku nga va ku endleke yini? Ntiyiso wa mhaka hi wolowo. Loko mi lava ku register tikhampani, you want to do your CIPC returns, e-filing returns, both for individuals and companies. You can make 0765661277. Loko mi lava ku joina vakhandli sweswiya swa tolo, on the advert you will see va ri number ya vakhandli, and mi nga tirhisa the very same number leyi mi nga yi tirhisa ku joina through. Loko mi joina through mina mi pfuna ku ni kota ku endla mali. Man twisisa, so a hi tirheni.
Vakhandli Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandli Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna. Loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674. Kasi eka website hi vakhandligroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandligroup.co.za. Vakhandli Group, we are family.
Yeah, Jaimito, my baba jaro kula imbacha danuna shite. Oh, yemanemi amugela ka the channel that matches. The channel that matches the most. Ako ambo kwata. Yay. Walava. I will love it. It has go. Yo, yemanimi amugelaka. The only channel that matters to watch. Woo. Hakanyingi loko vanhu va endlile leswa kahle va keep a relationship for quite some times. Hakanyingi loko vanhu va ri happy for each other's successes and businesses, ya va vona va karhi va swi endla sweswo. Gabaza ivi a trenda nyana sweswi hi comment nyana ya Soul. Of course she's always trending there and there. Kuna ku va ordinary views, kuna ku trenda, so she's always getting high rotations and stuff. She's always relevant to the market, but she's not like really trending. Yeah, kuda fika la phela ni nga ta n'wi tolovela leswi swi endla ku nga ri ku trend. Wabo ku trenda maybe the opponents then makuva va swi tolovela, mara yena hi swi twisa ku that's plan for you. And we must give kudos to Pilan because he's able to keep his audience engaged for quite some time for nkarhi wa ku leha. Mabo so mani ngena makene ni nga tela yola. Gabaza look atalwa na nsuku nkarhi lava nga holova hi wona. U n'wi byele vusiwana na swin'wanyana. Nyipi ilwa na hi mahlanga hikwate ngopfu. Nyipi ilwa hi tindlela tin'wanyana. A n'wi byeli ku nlwa njhani nyipi ya mina hi mhaka ku mi ta ni tekisa swin'wana. So as much as I don't agree with that kind of fight, mhaka ku me xisiwana ve mara na hlamba. Mabo a ni fana magwinyana magwinyana nga malavi mati. So loko va karhi va lwini swipapalata, loko Gavaza a ya tlhelele va ri loko nsuka a kuma opportunity ya ku va a ri ka Big Brother, Gavaza i teke opportunity ya ku a n'wi advertisela, n'wi campaignela for the votes and stuff like that. And then after that she bought a BMW, and then she even used the BMW if you are kona stand to push swisha and Nsuku and stuff. Leswi ngo lo rhuma hi munhu. And ka tin'wana ta ti-video ta mina ni vutisini ku Gavaza a nga va a hakeriwe mali munhu ku endla ntirho lowuya. She's an influencer, as she calls herself. She wouldn't campaign for that for nothing. Remember, Nsuku a nga pfumeleriwi ku khoma phone loko a ri inside. So it means she never communicated or asked Gavaza ku a n'wi endlela ntirho lowuya. Gavaza o nyuma ku loko n'wana loyi a vuya a wine 2 million, a nga n'wi vitana as vanhu lava va n'wi vitana vusiwana before, Gavaza a hakeriwini na. Here is my 2 cents. Gavaza was paid good money ku arana campaign ya Nsuku. That is why swi olovela leswi swi nga vula hi so leswaku donatelani Golden Nation a donetele Nsuku, Golden Nation a donetele Nsuku. A swi olovela ku swi endla swilo leswi hi mhaka a swi she already secured a bag, but she wouldn't tell you that because once I'm byela sweswo n'we a mi nga ta donate timali ta n'we because hi hakeriwile. Hi va vonini van'wani va soli lava va posta va beni va posta, everyone posted. Hina van'wani lo vulaka swi bohi ku votela, if you want to do it, mavo. So sweswe swi right at this point in time. I'm still going, just hang with me, I'm going to the right direction. N'we heli mbilu tshama na mina hi le ka dzumba na mina. So loko Nsuku ta va vuyini ku ve na ti-donations na swin'wana ti-homecoming ta ka ti nga heli, Gavaza was present. Now Gavaza is no longer present. Nsuku is doing well. Nsuku was at Makazi's, like the way Gavaza a treata Nsuku hi xiswona, a n'wi treata as a child, you know, loko munhu a ku treata as n'wana wa yena, not in a disrespectful way though, but leswaku I care about your success, a successful black child, you know. But now Nsuku is making waves, she's hanging with Bomakadzi, esukile Gavaza. Ani se tshama na Nsuku na rin'we, I went through even the social media now, ni vona Nsuku lweyi a hi yingayingisa ya phansi na phezulu tanihi Matsonga a share swi swa Gavaza. Me happy for you girl, support our business. After that event, or sometimes at that kind of moment, ani se tshama na siku na rin'we ni vona Gavaza a poste swi swa Nsuku aku she will be there, congratulations black child, she will be in this event ya Makhadzi, congratulations black child, she was on Podcast and Chill, congratulations black child, you are making it to the top, congratulations. That relationship is no longer there. So vuxaka lebyi ha byona, and vuxaka lebyi a byi vangiwa ngopfu hi mhaka ku a ku ri vuxaka bya vudyela. Nsuku now came up and say phela where you know your space, and then go back to where you are. Phela manu kombelanga, and you were paid for this, and you never told the people who you were paid for this. And hi mhaka ku, because my opinion Gavaza was paid, and she can't say she was paid because now it will look like she was no longer helping and she forced everyone to help. Mantosis. So the man they put you back, we don't need you anymore. You are not part of our team when we go to Big Brothers, so don't enforce yourself. Thank you for your time. Bye. But vuxaka lebyi ha byona, vuxaka lebyi byi tele ku misleader. But this shows how these people are. Hi va vona leswi va nga hi xiswona. That's what they do for living. they mislead us every day. Man, there is no way, Yakum. People who spend so much money, their timing, campaigning for you, now you give less shit about them. Nothing. She cares less about. And so who cares less about? Akuna xilo lexi nghenelela nsuku xa Vatsonga, akuna swilo leswi promotaka swa Vatsonga, and anga hi koloti nchumu anangwe mi nga teka timali mi n'wi nyika amlo dzape na mtwambangi. Wa mi nga teka mali ya mi nyika hina ku na hina mali ya lava. Maybe Gavaza a chavisa hi kun'wana wa xisiwana ta kuma 2 million sa n'wi jimisa, and I still phela loko nsuku a ri winner that Big Brother thing. She was going to get a lot of sponsors, a lot of deals, man. She was going to be a national thing. Apartments, lava va Gavaza va hamba va chila ko va dzaha swa tihabli there. Moncom. So we can try to look at two ways, like what's happened with Gavaza, what happened with Nsuku, because they never gave us, okay guys, thank you for so much, our journey ends here, we're just there to push a black child, or we're paid as marketing team to do, and I know it's not what as marketing team to apply your skills and your platforms to campaign for it. There is no way ninga taku mina gaza bosha Ibrahimina angenela competition nung support loko mina na swin'wana nga support. Then Gavaza not the apron. Gavaza wa advertise. Nsuku has never shared anything of some sort. Gavaza advertise la swi swena ku rhukata lava va Lavanda va Philani loko va kumini va Bennett lavo xavela ku borha mati ku jamala ku borha mati ntsa. Simple as that. So in my opinion, why vangar swin'we iku number one, Gavaza was paid. Number two, vuxaka lebyi it was never real. It was a fake love, fake relationship, and it remains a fake one. And then tomorrow you're working together without sitting down and have a cordial conversation where you speak about everything. Askona says there is no way. Asikona na ala. So in conclusion, they must tell us, even if because we will want to see this relationship go. We will want to see these people make it in life, especially as influencers. Because why? I'm jele mali wana wow. Me donate mali utalango for these people to do whatever they are doing. Now they are just sitting on you. And stuff like that. Of course, Nsuku is not rukatering anyone. No, she was butchered for Kaiser Chiefs and stuff and what. But let's leave the poor girl alone. But I'm just interested in Nsuku. What happened? And I know that, like Nsuku is a parasite. Is she galan Nsuku? Nsuku was pushed by people like Gaza Bosha, like Genge Machangani, and other platforms, except this platform. When she came out, I have it in good information and good authority that she was invited to go to Genge Machangani. Production at Genge Machangani is very good. Let's be honest about that. But she never went there. She never responded to a text. She never responded to their conversation, their request. Why? Because she used them. That's what it is about. And I know more jobs of me. When you are not paid as a platform, never advertise for anyone. Something thousand. Ndandaka Genge Machangala next week on some episodes there. And then Lawa Hilwa Street, Niva 8, near 1. Give us slice.